morning guys, I'm out walking the dogs. It's a cold morning, weather has been terrible, it's been raining all night. The property is a proper mud pit and we'll see if I can manage to tackle those windows today or if I find something else to do. Might plaster some bits in the bathroom and we'll see. So cue the time lapse of me doing something. The method of putting wood behind and then screwing it on top instead of the hammer nails is actually way better. I'm much more pleased with that version of doing it than what I did in the other room. So I will continue with that. At least the dogs are having fun while I'm working away on the windows, which are actually soon finished finally. These two has been way easier than the others, or maybe I've learned something. Probably not though. The windows are finally done. Now I just need to start working on the metal trim that's gonna go around everything. And I think I'm gonna start with the doorpost here.
huge thank you to Eric Conway for the advice to use a stapler when attaching the metal protectors. It's been amazing. The fitment is perfect. It's just night and day compared to screwing them in. So yeah, going forward I will staple them because, yeah, as I said, amazing. Right, Tony? That was just a little trial run to see if I can use the circular saw for the cutting the bottom bit, which actually worked fine. It was a bit dusty, so I'm going to need a mask and a pair of goggles for that. But as you can see, I need to cut it because I want it level to the floor and the floor is not even, so I'm just going to even it out so that we have the same distance everywhere. And with that, I am gonna end it today. Quite successful. Managed to fix those. Stapling these were just amazing. And that's gonna be it. I'm gonna head out. I have some things to do. So I'm gonna take care of that and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.